esteemed members of the jury, my fellow members of the International Advertising Association, captains of industry, and friends, a really warm welcome to you all. You know, the slightly scary part for me on an evening like this is not that I have to stand here and speak, but the very high probability that by the time I finish deciding what I'm going to speak about, the world would have changed completely. Because nothing around us is a steady matter. Business models are tossing and turning, markets are constantly changing, and new sectors are sprouting up every day. Change, ladies and gentlemen, used to be a constant. But now we're living in a world where change must be instant. And as we look at our workplaces, at our younger generation, at the turbulent pockets of our economies, at the ebb and flow of corporate and business dynamics, it is evident that the greatest leadership skill out there is not to simply cling onto this roller coaster and hang in there, but to pivot, evolve, and stay ahead at every twist and turn. The iLeadership Award is a platform to appreciate and respect precisely that. Leadership of all colors, all shapes, and all sizes, in all its volatile, ever-changing forms. Because the truth is this, leadership is not a designation, it's an act. It's not a noun, it's a verb, and a very active verb. And the super fuel that powers this action in our generation is technology. Never before has a man-made invention had as much impact on every human being in every part of the planet as technology has had on our lives today. So deep and permanent has been this influence that we are constantly having to invent new words to capture it. That is why, to me, these leadership awards are bravery awards, intelligence awards, foresight awards, creative awards, adventure awards, social awards, all rolled into one. The integrity and purity of the iLeadership Awards are underlined by the fact that they cannot be entered, and let me repeat that, saying they cannot be entered by any individual or organization. Performances are identified and studied through an exhaustive scan and search process of over 2,000 companies across 15 categories. The honorary organization would have excelled far beyond the basic criteria of market share, CAGR, quarter-to-quarter growth, advertising to sales ratio, etc., etc. It would have also performed well in company credit ratings on the stock market, brand health scores, momentum scores, and the all-important environmental, social, and governance ESG scores. Our knowledge partner, Lodestar who's here, pulls together exhaustive data from numerous sources and on a simple prompt from the jury moves faster than any AI tool to provide a new, fresh perspective as the need may be. And today, as we wade into this tidal wave of change that awaits us, I'm proud to say that iLeadership Award has been and will be a significant marker of time through a generation that will change the way we all live our lives from now on. But this evening is all about celebrating and recognizing the minds that are leading this journey for the entire human race. What we browse, who we tag, why we upload, how our virtual behavior influences our real behavior, the minds that study, harness, and evolve this new world are all here in this room. And it's time to raise a toast and recognize the future. So guys and girls, fasten your seatbelt or whatever they are called in the new metaverse and have a great evening. Thank you.